Hello, welcome to today's channel reading. I am Madhusmita. I am a certified twin flame ascension coach, and today we'll pull cards and let's see what are the energies for twin flames today. And today I want to pull some cards from the deck of energy. So it is like energy oracle cards by Sambandra. So the first card is door to personal healing and happiness. Even this energy I have been feeling, and in the consciousness also, like there is a deep call to the healing, like heal within. You can also see there are parts in India also, even out of India also, there has been lot of cyclones, some depression and all that thing is going on currently, right? So during all this feeling, all this scenario, it is like there is a deep call to cleansing, because healing takes a place where you can cleanse yourself completely. Okay, so it is inviting for a personal healing and happiness. It is a new beginning in your personal life. Okay, this card is a harbinger of positive change. This the beautiful light filled door opens into a lush rainbow lit spring filled with vibrant lotus flower. Yeah, I should show you the card here. You can see there is a door, and then when the door is opening, that is inviting to a place where there is rainbow, there is a dove, there is lotus flower, and there is peacock. It is like it is full of everything that is peaceful and beautiful. Whether you are working on some inner healing, such as breaking an addiction, or looking to make some external changes, such as finding a new place to live, this card signals that your life is opening up and new opportunities are about to appear. The changes you have been working on are ready to blossom with wonderful results. So make sure you see your personal intentions through with continued actions and optimistic expectations. Yeah. When you do your healing, maybe many of a time I mentioned, maybe at times it will look like everything is breaking down. At that time, it is actually a call for a deeper healing. Deep within you, when you heal, it is the promise of universe. It is the promise of universe, promise of God, that the door will open. It's called, the floodgate will open. When you keep trusting, when everything is breaking apart, and you trust that God is there with you, God will show up for you. Okay, so this card is a very positive sign that all that work that you have been putting, your angels and your spirit guides are bringing in that opportunity that you have been looking for. On it, if you are on your twin flame path, this exactly means when you are healing, there are positive things that will start to happen. The door always opens, always. So the next card is about journey. There is like a feminine energy. She is moving on a bridge, and there is light in her hand, and it's a number 2. It's like a harmony, right? It's like again talking about movement, relocation and travel. It's like pack your bag, and when it is coming along with the previous card, it feels like there is a lot of movement that is going to happen now. Like there will be, if you have been seeing like nothing is changing externally, no response, and nothing is happening, then these cards are bringing to the thing where you will see externally the things will start shifting. The journey card foretells upcoming travel or a shift in location. It may be as simple as a vacation, a retreat or class, or even a work related trip. This card could also signal a movement of residence or job relocation. The upright position indicates that the plan should go off without a hitch. Still be clear about your motivations and mindful of logistics. All of life is a journey, and this card is telling you that you have some exciting and inspiring adventures ahead. Yes. The cards always confirms the energy that is within you. Okay, so this cards is actually taking you to a place that there will be movement in the physical reality. There will be things that will start to happen, because anyway the door is opening and there are opportunities. Those are beautiful opportunities, those are there. And then but you have to make that journey, right? That's your component. Taking to the next card, it is about healer of the ages. It has actually came reversed. It is about health and vitality. It talks about the healer of the ages, indicates that you have been feeling extremely out of sort or even upside down in your own life. You may be in the midst of physical problem or just feeling as though you are losing energy, but this card is telling you that there are deeper levels of healing that needs to be addressed. Yeah, anytime on a energy level, if there is no physical issue, just in the energy level, if you are feeling very low, you are not feeling that charged up, motivated and alert, that means there is still deeper healing that is there, that needs to happen within you. Okay, and when this energy is there and that is calling for a deeper healing, that means the journey could be just you going deeper within yourself, because the more you go deeper with yourself, you invite your twin flame also to go within themselves, because the truth that is within your heart is also same that is in their heart. Okay, so it is always good that you make the journey within yourself. Okay, because all the opportunities you are going to unlock within yourself first before it appears in the external. Take some time to regroup and put your own healing first. Whether you are facing mental, emotional, physical, or even addictive patterns, call upon the healer of the ages to bring his energy to the issues you are working on. Quiet your mind and feel his vibration bringing you warmth and healing light, clearing away any dark or hurting space. Repeat this meditation and be patient, yet also know that divine love can heal you in blink of a belief. That's true. I always mention this energy. No matter how heavy you feel, no matter how much you may be thinking that this block is so big, like I cannot move it through, that's not true. That's not true. You can, the moment you heal that energy within yourself, you will see as if God will move that thing out of your life in blink of your eye. It's like you may be feeling like it is like such a mountain and I literally cannot move it through. Then in that point, it is always good that you give that to God. You surrender, you choose to heal yourself within yourself and just feel peaceful. You will see it will just moved by God externally, smoothly, very smoothly. I have experienced that again and again through all steps towards my twin flame harmonious union. no matter how big it may feel. It will feel like as if your twin flame is not at all going to come back. That's not true, because God is more powerful than you. You just need to go to that hurt place that doesn't believe that you deserve love, because God is going to respond to that love that you desire within your heart, right? So if you don't feel that love within your heart, you don't heal that part, then how God is going to even understand that you desire love, right? Because God is going to answer your question, God is going to answer your desires, right? So these are beautiful cards, and guiding through deeper healing, making that inner journey, and opportunities. It has came in the reverse way. The opportunities are there. You just have to go deeper with your journey and heal deeper. It's always good to go deeper within yourself. Thank you.